Once you have onboarded or added your clients to your profile, your next step is going to be to verify your clients. This is another step in our verification process that gives businesses the confidence and trust in your agency and being reliable. To verify your clients, there's two ways to go about this. The first way is to simply click Verify Clients. You're going to click on your client name. On the top right corner in this red Verify box, you will click on that, add in the name, first name and last name of your client, along with their business email address. This will send an email to your client to confirm that you have done services for them. The second way you could verify a client is simply by clicking on Verify Clients. Similar to the first step, you will click on your client name. This time around, you will simply scroll down to Social Profiles, and you will connect one of your client's social profile. And that is simply how you verify your clients.